Alright guys, welcome back to How to Minecraft Like a Pro. On this edition, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install your plugins into your Craft Bucket server. Um, in my last video, I showed you how to create this server, so if you didn't see that, then you might need to go back and look at it. But if you're caught up and ready to go, we are ready to install plugins. So first, what you want to do before we install plugins is go to your server.properties and open it with your text edit. It's going to bring up all these properties that have to do with your server. So what you need to do is if you have a flying mod, which I do, you allow flight to true, okay? And you need to leave your level seed and server IP blank. Also, you need to make your whitelist true. What this is going to do is going to block out people you don't want in your server. So you need to enable that. If you want people not to be able to kill each other when they're in your server, you need to change PvP to false. This means person versus person, and that is allowed on my server, so we can kill people. The difficulty, uh, there's 4 different numbers. 0 means peaceful, 1 means easy, 2 is medium, and 3 is hard. And then your game mode, 0 is survival, 1 is creative, and 2 is adventure. So once you got all of these set up, um, you are good to go pretty much. So you just exit out of that. The next thing you need to do is go to your whitelist and open that up also with your text edit. You need to add yourself right here so you can get into your server. So just add your name and then you should be good. Just like that. That's my name right there. And then exit out of that. Next, you need to go to your ops.text, also text edit. And you need to add yourself. This will allow you to go in and use all the commands and stuff for your server. So you need to OP yourself. And so add your name and then exit out. So after you've done that, you are ready to go and install plugins. So you need to go to plugins.bukkit.org. This is where you're going to get all your plugins and stuff for your Bukkit server. So I'm going to set up a relatively simple plugin. So we're going to do XP Keeper. Enter. So we're going to click on this one. And what this allows you to do is when you're in the game and you can left click on it to put your XP in it so you don't lose your XP when you die. It's a pretty handy feature, and you can't actually remove the signs with your hand. You have to type in this command right here, XKP remove. So that's pretty much it. I have this version, so I'm gonna download it. Download, and it is downloaded. So what you're gonna do is go to your Craft Bucket server right here, and you're gonna open up plugins. Okay. You go to your downloads and drag the xpkeeper.jar into your plugins, and go to your start doc command, double click, and this will start your server right here. And it says enabling XP Keeper. So say that you already had your server running and you installed your plugin. Well, it's not going to actually install it. So what you need to do is when you install, with your server running, you actually need to do reload, and that'll enable your newly installed mod. So that's just a little handy tip for you. So then you're going to go to your Minecraft, open it up, and go to your server. And I already have made a little house. It's pretty quaint. Let me get out here. Oh yeah, so cute. Okay, so what you're going to do is go in here and you get a sign. You go craft a sign in your crafting bench, and you're going to right click it on a place you want to put it. And you're going to do bracket XP keeper bracket and just hit done, and it's going to load you right here. So what you can do, I have 5 levels of inventory XP. So we're going to do left click with your fist. I forgot about that. Fist. And it's going to put it in there. It's pretty handy. I like to use it on my server, on my normal server. So, and say you're ready to go do some enchanting or use a anvil, just right click and it draws it all out. So I know that's pretty handy for those people that when they die they don't lose all their XP. So let's put it in there. There you go. Note that some of the actual plugins that you're going to be using that you want are actually going to require the assistance of another plugin. So some plugins actually need something called Vault, which is kind of an economy-based plugin. So you're going to need that, and others need something called World Edit and World Guard. So just to give you a few tips on how to install your plugins. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you on my next one.